Hey, welcome to your assessment session. So the point of this is to get a marker of your strength on week 1, and then we're going to do this new circuit for 6 weeks, and then we'll do another assessment, and then we can see how much stronger you are. If you click the assessment button below, you'll see the exercises in the circuit, and you'll also see what you need to do for each test of that exercise. So some of them start on body weight, so the reverse lunges, the single leg deadlift and the push-ups start on body weight. So level 1 would be body weight, and then I'll tell you which level and if it involves a band or not. If you're not sure where to start on level 1 and then just work your way through. Do each exercise one at a time and have about 30 seconds to 1 minute rest in between, just to make sure you're fresh for the next one. If you can do 15 of all of them, then have a 2-minute rest and then start again on the higher level. Write how many repetitions and which level you did as you go through, and you might find that on some exercises you're on a higher level than others. If that is the case, then I'll look through your results and I'll make sure I tailor your circuit to you and your appropriate level. The exercises, however, are proportional, so you should find that you're probably a certain level for at least most of the exercises. But if you have any questions, just let me know and I'll be happy to help.
Hi there, welcome to this assessment session with me, Callie and Phoebes. So first of all, let's attach the band to the board. I'm not sure which band to use, just go for the slightly easier one. Okay, is that okay? Yeah. Okay, for this circuit, we're going to have one of the handles around one band and the other handle around both of the bands. Okay, so to complete a band level, you need to do 15 repetitions with good technique. Okay, so first off, we're going to do reverse lunges. So, band behind the neck. When we think of a good technique, you want one foot in the middle of the board. And as you step back, you want that to be for 2 seconds. So think 1 elephant, 2 elephants. So, don't hold on to the bands, hands free. 1 elephant, 2 elephant, just kiss the floor and back up. 1, 2, and back up. 1, good. Other side. Let's go. 1, 2. 1. Good. Step down, bring the band back. All right, if you did 15, brilliant. Write it down and we'll move on to the next one, and then we'll come back to the higher level if we need to. Between each exercise, give yourself about 30 seconds to a minute just to let yourself recover and go in fresh. So that's different from the workout, because the workout we want it a bit more intense. I'm not really going for performance, we're going for efficiency in getting your heart rate up and getting stronger. But for the assessments, we'll have a little bit more of a breather just to find out your true strength levels. So we're going to go push up next. So level 1 for this is shoulder taps, hands on the board. We're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 14. 15. Hey monkey, it's early in the morning on the farm. As your cockerel says. Okay, so when you're ready for level 2, grab an object, ideally about elbow height. I'm going to use the milk bottle. Oh no, I'm not. You take the milk. Okay, I'm going to grab the bucket. Then we're going to do a push up down partial range. So down 1. Again, count for 2. 1 elephant, 2 elephant, up. 1, 2, 2, 1. Good. Brilliant. If you can do 15 partial range about elbow height, you're ready to give a full press up a try. Feet wide apart as before, so we get a nice solid base. When you're ready, off we go. Count for 2. 1 elephant, 2 elephant, up. 1, Okay, so we're going back to a lower body exercise. So single leg deadlifts. We're going to come down. You okay? Band behind the neck. Again. Foot in the middle. Stay nice and tall. Don't hold on to the bands here. It's tempting to help with balance, but hands away. Okay, you're trying to keep that back leg nice and straight. So you get a big stretch down this back leg. So from here, arch that lower back, and imagine you're trying to kick the wall behind you with your back leg. So coming back, trying to touch the wall behind you to get a big stretch here, all the way down, and back up again. That's 1, 2, 1. Good. Other side. One. Well done. Okay, brilliant. So from lower body, we're going upper body again. We're going to do our rows here. So what we're going to do, take the handle that is around both of your bands in the middle, 1 foot on, 1 foot off. Stand up nice and tall. So get tension. We're going to hinge the hips back until you keep that arched back. You should feel your back working hard here. Bit of a stretch in the back of the legs. Come down to where the handle's just below the knee, and then what we're looking to do is pull up until your thumb touches your rib cages. Try not to lean over to do that. Try and stay as, when you're in this position where your back straight, handle just below the knee, we stay there. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Good. Okay, switch it around. Or if you want to face your child, switch the sides. So stay nice and tall. Hinge the hips back until it's just below the knee. And off we go. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1. It's tough to keep the body still as you just do the pull movement there. Well done. Okay, next we've got standing overhead press. So we'll just pop the bars out. And then standing here, all we're looking for is punch up, and then 2 seconds on the way down. 1, 2, up. 1, 2, 3, 15. Good. Keep that tempo on the way down. Other side. 50. Good. Okay, so once you've had 30 seconds, we're then going to stand on the end of the board. You want to bring your thumb to your sternum, just where your rib cage meets in the middle, little bony bit. Hold on, and then we're punching straight out. So from here, really straight back, soft knees, and then 1, 2. It will feel like you're almost punching up, but that's straight. Excellent. Other side. Excellent. Great work. So that's a whole body workout. Push, pull, lower body, core. Done. Okay, so for some of these exercises, level 1 is going to be body weight. So for your single leg deadlifts and your split squats, level 1 would be body weight, and then level 2 would be where we use the level 1 band. For your push-ups, slightly different. They're a bit harder. So level 1 will be shoulder taps. Level 2 will be partial range push-ups. Level 3 will be full push-ups. And level 4 will be band resisted push-ups. If you find that on some of the exercises you're on one level versus another level, then let me know. and I'll help you tweak the program to make sure you get the most out of it. That might mean staying at a low level for some exercises and then doing an extra set on the exercise you're struggling with, just so you can catch up.